Hello everyone, I am Hassan Mustafa and I'm very excited to present my final year project. My supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Khatib. So today's agenda is introduction, literature review, system development methodology, requirement analysis and design, implementation and testing, and lastly, conclusion. So we will start with the introduction. Problem background. The advancements in technology have transformed reservation systems in various industries, but car rental services lag due to limited online availability. Individuals searching for cars to rent often encounter difficulties due to the heavy reliance of car rental companies on local advertising. There is a need for a platform that connects car owners and renters, enabling owners to promote their cars and renters to find available options quickly. The current traditional approach to renting cars involves time-consuming processes and lacks efficient tracking of rental history. Project aim. The aim of this project is to develop a Flutter-based mobile application system for renting and providing cars to customers from owners. Project objectives is to elicit requirements of current car renting procedure by customers and car owners for the system, to design and develop a mobile application based on the requirements gathered, to test the developed mobile application for defects and weaknesses, and to correct them until the product matches the original requirements. Scope and stakeholder. The stakeholder is Greentel Company. It's a diversified corporation interested in multiple industries, including software. The users are customers seeking car rentals and car owners wanting to earn extra income. The app features a flawless car rental experience with car selection, date selection, and secure payment processing. Customer benefits are making or canceling reservations, viewing rental history, and providing feedback within the application. Car owner benefits are managing fleets, monitoring reservations, making informed decisions using real-time data, and tracking revenue. The development. The app will be built with Flutter framework and Firebase for the database. Literature review. The current car rental system analysis. There are mainly four aspects. First is the reservation process, pickup process, return process, and payment. For the reservation process, the customer will visit the location or call the hotline. The company will collect the customer info or the car preferences. In the pickup process, the customer will visit the rental location. Identity verification, payment, and deposit collection will be taking place. The car will be inspected and the keys will be handed over. In the return process, the customer will return the car to the location. A final inspection for the damages will be taking place. For the payment, either it will be cash, credit, or online transfer on the spot. The deposit and the refund collection will be done in the exact processes needed. A comparison between existing systems. There are mainly two systems that we will be comparing our system to, Turo and SoCar. So the first criteria is allowing cars to be uploaded. In Turo it is allowed, in SoCar it is not allowed. All of the cars in the SoCar system are owned by SoCar themselves. However, in our proposed system, it is allowed. For taking home pay percentage, for Turo they offer 60% of the car rental. In SoCar it's not available. However, in our proposed system it will be 85% of the car rental. Accessibility. The availability is based on the owners for Turo. For SoCar they have a limited accessibility. However, in our proposed system the availability will be based on the owners. The cost rates are open to the owners to decide in Turo. In SoCar, they offer lower rates for short rentals. However, in our proposed system, the rates are open to owners to decide. For the flexibility, Turo offers daily rental periods. SoCar offers hourly rental periods. However, in our proposed system, it will be hourly and daily rental periods. Now we will go to the system development methodology. The chosen methodology is the waterfall. It consists of 6 main phases: requirements, analysis, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. The reason behind choosing the waterfall methodology is that the requirements of the car rental industry tends to be consistent throughout the software development lifecycle. Software and hardware requirements. First is the emulator to run the app on, Visual Studio Code to write the code on, Windows, Flutter framework for the front end, GitHub for the version control, laptop, Android Studio to install, download the emulator. Firebase will be used for the database and the backend. A physical mobile device will be needed to test the app on. Now we will go to the requirement analysis and design. This is the car rental system use case diagram. There are three actors: customer, admin, and host. There are mainly 12 use cases. First is the registration of the account for the customer, login, managing profile, renting a car, and also managing the car rentals and managing the personal documents. For the host, he can manage the registered cars, also register a new car, confirm car return. For the admin, managing users' personal documents, managing host cars, and managing all rentals applications. The overall system architecture is the MVC, Model View Controller. The reason behind choosing the Model View Controller is for its advantages of code organization and maintaining the code base itself. This is the car rental system class diagram. We have the user class, notification class, bank account class, address class, verification document class, customer class, admin class, issue report, car rental, status history, and car. This is the car rental system database diagram. We have a bank account, address, notification, user, car rental, customer, verification document, status history, issue report, and car. These are the car rental system interface designed for the prototype. This is the customer rent screen. These are the details for the car if he wants to rent it. These are the host screen. You can see all of the cars and the total earnings, and this is the form for creating or adding a new car in the system by the host. These for the admin view. You can manage the user's personal documents. You can manage the host's cars. You can manage all the rent applications. You can view the rent application. Now we will go to the implementation and testing. This is a sample of coding of system's main functions. The code snippet on the left is from creating a car rental function in the view. We are using Flutter as a front end, and Flutter is using Dart language as a programming language. So this code is in Dart. The code on the right is for creating verification document function in the controller. These are the interfaces of the system's main functions. So this is the Explorer screen for the customer. Once he clicks any car, he can see all of the details for that car. He can select the pickup and the drop-off. Once he selects them, he will see the confirmation details for the car rental. Once he confirms and pay, he can view he can see the confirmation screen. This is the host car's details. So this is the host car screen. He can see all of the cars and all the hosting revenue. He can open the details for any of his cars and can see a revenue for that car. And these are the details for his car. You can also add a new car through these screens. These are the verification document samples. So if he wants to upload one of the verification documents is the driving license. So he can upload the image and also select the expiry date. Once he uploads it, he can see the details of the driving license and he can update it if needed. Testing. To ensure the car rental system functions as intended and meets requirements, extensive black box testing, user acceptance testing, and non-functional requirements testing were conducted. For the black box testing, the system's functionality was verified by focusing on inputs and outputs, simulating real-world usage. The system met all requirements and performed accurately. User acceptance testing ensured the app met business needs and provided a good user experience. All test cases passed, confirming the app's readiness for production. For the non-functional requirements, testing verified critical aspects like security, usability, performance, and reliability, ensuring the application met industry standards and provided a robust user experience. Now we will go to the conclusion. In conclusion, the objectives have been achieved: completed the requirements elicitation, developed a filter-based mobile app, and conducted thorough testing. Industry impact: enhanced car rental efficiency and user satisfaction, demonstrating benefits of mobile technology adoption. For the future improvements, implementing dynamic pricing, expanding platform compatibility, adding user-friendly features, automating processes, and integrating third-party services. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.